Hello and welcome to the Wedding School. Now, running a business can take up a lot of time and energy, so it's so important to have the right programs and applications at your fingertips. Here are some of the ones we simply can't live without here at White Plus White. Okay, number one is DROPBOX. So it's so important to have that shared file system which all your staff can have access to at any time. So if you're on site, you can pull up maybe a proposal or a run sheet or some important information about that event. Number two is INDESIGN. Now we cannot live without INDESIGN, because INDESIGN is where we create our beautiful proposals. We spend a lot of time in creating these proposals. We feel like it's really important to visually present our ideas to the clients. So INDESIGN is something that we use on a day-to-day basis. On that note, and talking about design programs, CANVA is amazing, and I'm sure a lot of you have used that. So that's a new sort of program that we're introducing into our suite as well. And now our third one is Instagram. So Instagram it really put us on the map many years ago. It's continuously is a great way to showcase our work and a great way to generate business as well. So Instagram is our number one social media tool that we use, as well as Facebook and also Pinterest. So all of our weddings we pop on Pinterest because we know that is where our couples are going to find their wedding inspiration. And on the subject of social media, we like to use programs such as Later to schedule in all our posts, all our stories. It makes it so much more time efficient for us. To get our brides and grooms organised, we also use an online planning tool called Aisle Planner, which is great because it houses everything from checklists to run sheets to seating allocations and design inspiration. And lastly, we like to keep all our database up to date with what we're doing, so MailChimp is great for sending out those EDMs. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you have gained some tips and tricks that might help your business along the way, and we'll see you next time.